head? Who owns this head? Who's this? Oh, this one, this one. Wonder Woman, this one, this one. This one, this one. Sidekick of Batman. Sidekick. Robin, this one. Star Wars, the princess. Leia, this one, this one. This one, this one. Ayan, sino ba ito? This one, very strong, flying. Superman, very good airing. Oh, this one. This one. Aladdin, Princess Jasmine. Sige. So these are different. That was chosen by Eric. Superman. So you did not choose Batman. You did not choose. Who's this? Jasmine. You did not choose Captain America. You did not choose Wonder Woman. You chose Superman. Can you hold this for me, Erin? Palakpakan naman natin si Erin. This is Superman. This is Naruto. So it's not a match. Sayang, Erin. You should have chosen that will match the body. What's this body from anime Naruto, right? This one, Superman. But since you're the board seeker, you say magic. Everybody say magic. Watch this. When you see magic, watch this. Whoa! The body will transform into the chosen character of Erin, Superman. Let's go to Erin. Erin, even the back is Superman.